video is brought to you by Turandoss, handmade products with love. I have here the layered cursive initial necklace. Here's the L. It is just adorable. It's just beautiful. And it's layered, so it comes also with this one. Let's give this a look. Definitely cute with the little stones on the side. Very, very nice. It's delicate, it is trendy, and it's just the right amount of sparkle for a 7th and 8th grader. The middle schoolers just love these. And this one's a choker, and then this one is layered with it, which is very, very nice. Why the teens love these: number one, personalized. They're excited to wear their own initial. You know, it feels special without being really over the top. It is stylish but age appropriate. It is very dainty, as you can see. It is cool, it is trendy, and is perfect for everyday wear, school or dance. I like the fact that the girls can layer these. This is just so cute and very tasteful. So no irritation whatsoever, which is nice. But these are a great little gift for any tween or teen girl. They look way more expensive than they actually are. Perfect for birthdays, back to school outfits. So cute. So cute. Or even those cute, small, little friend gifts. But I highly recommend these Turandoss layered cursive initial necklaces.